Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. Part of this video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Nagluto tayo ng special sinigang na fish with fresh gulay. Meron tayong lettuce and eggplant. Magpakulo ng water para sa ating gagawing sabaw. Magandang maraming sibuyas, loya, kamatis, and konting bawang, lemongrass. And nag-add pa tayo ng slice of carrots. Antayin natin maging malinamnam ito. I-add na rin natin ang ating fish and yung ating sinigang mix. I-add na rin natin ang ating eggplant. Sabay-sabay na silang maluto guys. At pag naluto na ay mag-a-add tayo ng ating fresh lettuce. Huli natin ilalagay ang ating fresh lettuce. And meron pa tayong masarap na pritong fish. So nagprito tayo guys ng ating fish. And para sa dipping sauce, vinegar soy sauce and green chili. Meron pa tayong masarap na ating smoothie para sa ating cold drinks. Meron tayong smoothie banana at nilagyan ko ito ng grapes and oats, powdered milk and water. I-blend lang natin ito guys. Blend it well and meron na tayong napakasarap and healthy smoothie banana. Meron pa itong grapes and oats. Sa healthy smoothie, gawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea, slice of onion, konting loya and bawang, 5 perasong cloves, pamintang buo at yung ating tea seeds. Papakulon lang natin ito guys and meron tayong napakasarap na onion tea at naglagay pa tayo ng ating turmeric powder. Luto na ang ating masarap na sinigang na fish with maraming fresh gulay. So healthy din guys ang ating masarap special sinigang na fresh fish with maraming gulay. Ready na ito guys at meron pa tayong assorted fruits. Para sa ating main dish, yung ating sinigang na fish. And cold drinks, yung ating smoothie, banana, and grapes with oats. Hot drinks, yung ating onion tea. Marami tayong food guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Masarap nga guys ang ating food para sa ating dinner. Nag-recrib nga ako ngayon ng masarap na sinigang na fish. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. You can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.